Hi, Ellen Bremen back here again with part 2 of Curriculog instruction and training. Remember, it's going to be painless because you're going to have this video to support you as you go. All right, so what we've just done is we've clicked the import icon and you have imported the former course adoption form into Curriculog, which is our new curriculum management system, as you know. And it's not a new course, it's a course revision because the course has been offered before. So when you scroll down, you will see that everything, or almost everything, little caveat there, has been put in. So you might need to you probably need to re-evaluate the placement, and this is a good discussion with your department, and also the catalog description, for whatever reason, is not loading in. So what I've done is I've gone to the CAF, so I'll start this over, caf.highline.edu. And now I've gone to the old CAF system. So again, that's caf.highline.edu. So I've gone to the old CAF system. I'm going to pull the old CAF from the CAF system. Something else that you can do is this will give you data about what should have been imported into the new Curriculog proposal. So here's the catalog description. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Curriculog and I'm going to plug it in. This is a fine time if you want to talk with your department about changing the description, or, this is the time to make those changes. If you're changing a course name or you're changing anything about the course, this is the time to do that when you're going through this process. So, all right, then we scroll down and you can see that the student learning outcomes are in here. Now, if you've taken the outcomes training, the outcomes alignment course, you will have already, this is the time that you'll be changing this around. You'll be creating new outcomes and then it will go into that process, or you'll be revising outcomes, whatever the case may be. So you'll put your outcomes in here and then that's basically all. You can save the changes as you go, but something else that you can do at this point if you're finished is, you'll see a bunch of other stuff down here, but this isn't typically something that you need to do unless you have a diversity globalism requirement. So I'm not going to cover that here. But after you're all finished, you are launching, you're ready to launch. So you click right here and you click validate and launch proposal. So let's wait a second while that happens and you can click launch proposal. Once you do this, then interestingly enough, you have to click on decisions and you have to approve as the person who's launching. So you can just say something like launching this proposal and then make my decision. And that's it. So now you've launched the proposal and it has gone on to the learning review, which would be myself or another designee from the assessment committee, because it will no longer just be me, but it will be other folks from the assessment committee. And you can see here that it says the proposal has moved on. Now let's go back for just a moment to my tasks, and click on new proposal. So if you are indeed doing a new course, that is when you'd go here to where it says 2019-20 new course. And the difference would be is that you click right here under start proposal, and the difference would be that you're going to be filling everything in. So you will not be importing anything, which is why those instructions aren't there, but you'll be typing all of this fresh, and it would have the same information that you would have needed from the CAF. So if you need guidance on that, you could go back to what the old course adoption forms used to, the prompts that are here, and that's how you can start to draft this out. So I hope that this is helpful to you as you go through the Curriculog process. Again, it's pretty straightforward, but I know that this course new revision and new course, it can be a little bit confusing. But congratulations on launching your proposal, and I look forward to seeing you at the outcomes review stage or for outcomes alignment training. Take care.